Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming project rate and bit depth, because capture quality limits every repair you make later. Set your microphone gain so peaks sit near -6 dB. This prevents clipping yet preserves headroom. Once done, position the mic consistently and use a pop filter to reduce plosives. This saves hours in editing. Make sure the room is as quiet as possible and monitor levels while recording so you capture the best raw audio before any processing. Now you edit, trim dead space and normalize to -1 dB to unify level without clipping. Next, select a short noise sample and apply noise reduction. Adaptive capture reduces hiss. Repeat carefully to avoid artifacts. Then switch to spectral view to surgically remove clicks, sibilance, or hum. Use the repair and equalization tools to tame problem frequencies. Once complete, listen through headphones while toggling bypass, because subtle overprocessing creates unnatural tone and phase issues. Finish by adding gentle compression. Start with a 2:3:1 ratio and moderate attack and release so dynamics stay natural. Then use makeup gain to restore perceived loudness. Next, apply multi-band EQ. Cut below 100 Hz with a high pass to remove rumble, then boost presence slightly for clarity. When satisfied, export to WAV or FLAC for archival, or MP3 at 192 kbps+ for delivery. If audio sounds thin, check phase and re-import original to compare. Fix by undoing excessive EQ or compression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.